Okay, right now I'm going to show you how to do division of decimals. Okay, and I think I gave you a practice sheet, and I did it. Practice sheet 4-3 is what we're going to look at today. I'm going to do some of the problems from 4-3. So if you want to get that homework out, pause the video. You think you can do some, go ahead and try them. I'm going to do problem 1 first. Problem 1 was 3 divided, or 9.6 divided by 3. 9.6 divided by 3. Okay, there's no decimal on the outside of the division, so we're just going to do the division as is. 3 goes into 9 3 times. 3 times 3 is 9. Subtract 0, bring down the 6. 3 goes into 6 2 times. 3 times 2 is 6. Subtract 0, and then when you're done, all you do is bring up the decimal straight up here. So your solution is 3.2. Okay, that was problem number 1 on 4-3 in the homework. Okay, let me go ahead and let's move this up, and let's try problem let's see, these were all divided by whole numbers, so let's try another one. Problem 6, number 6. Number 6. 6 was 142.4 divided by 16. Okay? So, here's where you kind of have to figure out how many times does 16 go into 142, because 16 doesn't go into 1. 16 doesn't go into 14. 16 does go into 142. So this is where I kind of go to the side and say, okay, what's 16 times 3? That's 48. 16 times 5, because I think I'm going to 30, 80. 16 times 7. 7 times 6 is 42. That's 112. 16 times 9. 9 times 6 is 54. 144. Wait, so I'm going to say 8. 6 times 8 is 48. 8 times 1 is 8, plus 4 is 12. I'm going to subtract. That leaves me 14. 144. Well, I know 16 times 9 is 144, so it's 89. I'm going to just look for my decimal, bring it straight up. Straight up. So my solution is equal to 8.9. That's the solution for number 6. Number 6. We'll go ahead and do one more, because these are pretty straightforward. It's when you start getting decimals on the outside that you need to start figuring out. So let's do number 16 on 4-3. Number 16 is 122.32 divided by 11. Okay, so 11 goes into, doesn't go into 1, but it goes into 12 one time. So 11 times 1 is 11. Subtract them, and that leaves me 1. Bring down the 2. 11 goes into 12 one time. Do the same thing. So that's 1. Here's 13. 11 goes into 13 one time. 11. Bring down the 2. Then bring down the 2 here. So I get 22. Well, I know 11 times 2 is 22. And that leaves me 0. Now I'm going to look for the decimal here and just bring it straight up, and it goes right here. So my solution is equal to 11.12. Okay? And how do you check these types of, how do you check these types of problems? You say, here's your solution. If you multiply this times this, you should get what's in the inside the division symbol. Okay? So there's the solutions to 1, 6, 1, 6, and 16. Okay? And next video will be dividing by decimals.